Hello and welcome back to another part of Design Your Own Level tutorial. In this video, what we will be doing is we will just be tidying up a little bit, creating like subfolders and where we can put all of our content. As we just started working and just started adding the details and everything starts to look a little bit cluttered. And with a lot more objects that need to be created to truly finalize this level tutorial, we need to just try and get some order. So what I'm going to do is everything that I've created so far, I'm just going to select it all and then just move it straight up into the content folder over there. Then I'm going to click the content folder, and this is like our main directory, and I'm going to right click, create a new folder which I'm going to call textures. And I'm going to highlight all my textures. There we go. That one there. And all of these. And I'm just going to move them straight into the textures folder. Okay, so that's all of those. And then I'm going to right click again. Call the folder materials. And then I'm just going to move all of my materials into that. And then lastly, it's going to be models. And move that into there. And there we go. So we have a lot more freedom to work with here now, so we can go into textures if we know what we want to find. You can even try and create subfolders if you really want to. I wouldn't recommend making something specifically for normal maps or anything like that, because that might cause a slightly bit more confusion. But if you want to make something, if you're using normal maps or if you're using textures that will only be specifically referenced to one object, you're more than welcome to actually make that object models and create a subfolder for that, and then putting all of its textures and everything inside there. As if you're not going to use it inside of another model or another material, anything like that, then and it's only isolated to that one specific model, then you're more than welcome to move everything to that its one folder. So if you watch some of the other videos, you'll also see that I started creating or just messing around with the pipe that we created, and this one a little bit more. And what I mainly found with, if you do recall, the texturing or the shadowing issue, as you can see here now, most of that gets fixed as soon as you build lighting. Most of it, not all of it. But this also has something to do with light map resolution, which we are not going to cover until the very end of the tutorials. So as you can see, we are starting to make a lot of progress with this level. We still have a lot left to do, but for the majority of it, we're starting to see that all of our work is starting to add together. So again, if you like what you saw, leave a like. If you didn't, you can leave a dislike. Please subscribe, and I will see all of you in the next video.